So when I saw this article, it really showed me the downside of AI created content for SEO and the continuing downfall of AI as we know it. The TLDR version, CNET was creating tons of mortgage and credit card content to rank and then making money off affiliate links. For so many years, CNET was my favorite tech news source, from the Apple versus Samsung articles, gear reviews, and how this story really came about was that mortgage and credit card content usually isn't part of the CNET brand. Now, this isn't surprising because Red Ventures, which bought CNET in 2020, is turning it into exactly what its other media properties are doing. They pump out content about credit cards and mortgages to rank and make money off affiliate links, and a lot of it is AI created content. So my takeaway, AI content is taking over Google SEO. We've seen so many ways this is done and how content is bypassing AI detectors. I've actually created a video to show how this is done. And as long as this is lucrative, you know companies are either doing this now or going to be doing this until something changes. It doesn't look like Google is really ready to crack down on AI content anytime soon. So what does this all mean? To me, it really comes down to trust. Do we trust AI created content? Is it any good? Is it accurate? Is it helpful? Does it meet what we're looking for? And if it does, do we care if it's created by AI? And is this what SEO is becoming? Pump out as much content as possible to rank and make as much money as possible off of it. It's also obvious that AI is taking over what journalists and writers have been doing. And really, if content is king, is the new king AI? Unfortunately, if this is making money, this is only the beginning, because companies will be incentivized to keep pumping out AI created content. And that's why how we understand and practice SEO today is dying.